CRM should be relevant for all process manufacturers. Any plant that has people in it, which is every plant, will have the need to understand what those people are doing and how they engage and communicate with one another as part of the overall system. And in capturing that information, you are future-proofing your digital transformation, because that in itself is going to improve the current process, but the records of what you capture and how you capture it can then be used to help train more advanced systems, like for instance with predictive maintenance. So artificial intelligence and machine learning systems need data in order to be able to be trained and develop a model and understand what's going on in the plant. So just as you may open up your historians and your logs from decades worth of processing to help the AI understand the machinery, if you're also injecting in the entire process in what people are doing on the shop floor, then that can help train a more efficient model, and you therefore get better predictive maintenance. So it's not a sideline or a one-off, it's a constant benefit that you get from having instrumented your workforce.